Pipeline Lifecycle Data Management Technology for the energy industry.
RouteMapper has the most superior template technology designed to deliver quicker production and deliverables. RouteMapper utilizes correct size borders, and it will set and scale your viewports correctly for annotation and publishing support. Guaranteed next level efficiency. Let's now show you some advanced technology for template production with RouteMapper software. This tool is amazing and sets your templates based off your right-of-way quarter limits to ensure your center line never extends past your templates. Let's see how that works. RouteMapper comes with advanced technology for editing our templates very quickly. We can drag them up and down, move them back and forth very quickly. But our adjustment-free template technology, priceless. Watch this. We'll change our right-of-way quarter limits to 100 and then we'll reset our templates. RouteMapper's advanced, adjustment-free template technology is going to speed up your production and deliverables while saving time and money. Have you ever needed to merge last template or merge two templates in the middle of a project or split a template into two? Our advanced template technology provides next-level support and even supports reroutes. Let's go ahead and merge that last sheet. Advanced template technology, all designed to save you time and money. Let's show you how easy it is to merge two templates into one, no matter where it is throughout your project. RouteMapper's advanced template technology will speed up your production and deliverables. Let's now show you how to quickly add a template anywhere within your project. Real advanced template technology that provides next level support and even supports reroutes. Let's now show you how those templates and match lines are properly set within our paper space border, which is set 1:1. So if it's 24 by 36, that's the correct size. 22 by 34, whatever size of border you may be using for your attribute border. RouteMapper utilizes correct size borders, and it will set and scale your viewports correctly for annotation and publishing support. Let's finish setting our quantity for our summary of material count. RouteMapper ensures accuracy and accountability. Your match lines are going to be set based on the templates you personally created and not based from your viewport size. This ensures your imagery is shown correctly and also your publishing and your annotation works too. RouteMapper's template technology provides next level innovations for the energy industry. Our tool supports AutoCAD Civil 3D 2014 through 2021. Just load and go. Comes with free e-learning training and saves time and money.
Please contact FDS for more information.